BCCI's working committee meeting held in Chennai on Sunday predictably ordered an internal inquiry into the spot fixing scandal in the IPL in which 3 Rajasthan Royal players are alleged to be involved. Addressing a press conference after the emergency working committee meeting, its president N. Srinivasan announced that the commissioner of BCCI Anti-Corruption Wing, Ravi Sahni, will conduct a probe into the spot fixing allegations. Srinivasan stated that all players and agents will be accredited from now on and that each IPL team will have its own anti-corruption special unit officer. The access to players would only be made through ACSU and security officials.
Mr. Ravi Sahni has been appointed as the commissioner to inquire into the allegations against these players, and his report will be placed before the disciplinary committee of the BCCI for further action, because we have to go by the rules that are applicable to players as formulated by the BCCI.
Srinivasan also promised to take strongest possible action against the players if they are found guilty by the Inquiry Commission and the Disciplinary Committee.
If you look at this whole incident, it's a question of 3 players who are alleged to have committed something wrong by doing some spot fixing, as they call it. As far as the BCCI is concerned, we will go by the report of our inquiry commissioner, and if the disciplinary committee is convinced, then whatever steps, we will not hesitate to act.
Meanwhile, the Rajasthan Royals management was also present in the emergency meeting, and it was made evident that the management will file an FIR against the 3 arrested players for cheating the public.
राजस्थान रॉयल्स के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के साथ बातचीत हुई और ये हुआ कि राजस्थान रॉयल्स के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव FIR करेंगे इन प्लेयर्स के खिलाफ, क्योंकि उन्होंने किसके साथ चीट किया है इसके लिए दिल्ली पुलिस को भी जरूरत पड़ेगी कि भाई इनके साथ धोखाधड़ी की, क्योंकि कॉन्ट्रैक्ट राजस्थान रॉयल्स का उन प्लेयर्स के साथ है.
The emergent working committee was called to discuss the implications of the involvement of Sreesanth, Ankit Chauhan, Ajit Chandila and Amit Singh in the IPL spot fixing controversy. With Bureau Inputs, Sanjay Ghosh's report, DD News, Chennai.